Like I'm your explorer Yuvraj, and today I got this new exhaust for my Himalayan. So this is the most common and highest selling exhaust known as megaphone exhaust for Royal Enfield. And actually this is not a megaphone exhaust, this is a Himalayan off-roading exhaust with the sound of megaphone exhaust. Actually megaphone exhaust does not look good on Himalayan, so I asked Atish sir from Mumbai Enfield to give me something that will look good, so they made this and gave it to me. So yeah, let's go and get this fixed. So right now we are removing my old exhaust, which is a stock exhaust, to fix my new one. So after removing this, we will fix my new exhaust. So इनचा पटकन गरम होतो. So right now we are fixing my new exhaust, as you can see, and already it looking good. So we have installed the new exhaust, and this is the exhaust. So we are doing fitting. This is Arpan sir. So yeah. So right now we are doing final fitting. After this fit, bike will be ready to roar, and the thump of this exhaust is really more than I thought. So also I will give the link of Mumbai Enfield in the description, so you can contact them if you want one. So yeah, I will get back to you with the final sound of this exhaust once it get fixed. So this is how she sounds now. So don't forget to tell me how it sounds, and I means really जितना सोचा था उससे ज़्यादा थम्प है. So yeah, do let me know your feelings about it. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.